In today's fast-paced world, managing our finances effectively is more critical than ever. Welcome to Satoshi Finance. In this video, we'll delve into the world of frugal living, exploring practical strategies that can help you save money, reduce unnecessary expenses, and ultimately achieve your financial goals. Frugal living isn't about deprivation. It's about making mindful choices with your money to secure a more stable and fulfilling future. Understanding the importance of frugal living lays the foundation for your financial success journey. By embracing frugality, you're not only taking control of your finances, but also paving the way for greater financial freedom and security. Throughout this video, we'll cover various aspects of frugal living, from budgeting basics to cutting down on unnecessary expenses, meal planning, DIY projects, and even energy conservation tips. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, build your savings, or simply live a more sustainable lifestyle, our frugal living tips are designed to empower you on your financial journey. So, let's dive in and discover how frugal living can transform your financial future. Frugal living is more than just a lifestyle. It's a mindset that prioritizes mindful spending and resourcefulness to achieve financial stability and freedom. At its core, frugal living involves making intentional choices to maximize the value of every dollar spent without sacrificing quality of life. It's about being strategic with your resources, seeking out ways to save money, and making thoughtful decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. One of the key benefits of adopting a frugal lifestyle is the ability to build wealth and achieve financial security over time. By consistently practicing frugality, individuals can reduce unnecessary expenses, avoid debt accumulation, and increase their savings, ultimately creating a stronger financial foundation for the future. Moreover, frugal living encourages a more sustainable approach to consumption, promoting environmental consciousness and reducing waste. It's important to note that frugality should not be confused with being cheap. While both concepts involve spending less money, being cheap often entails cutting corners at the expense of quality or integrity. In contrast, frugal living is about making smart and thoughtful choices that prioritize value and long-term benefits, rather than simply opting for the cheapest option available. By understanding this distinction, individuals can embrace frugality as a positive and empowering approach to managing their finances effectively. Budgeting serves as the cornerstone of financial success, providing a roadmap for managing income and expenses effectively. By creating a budget, individuals gain clarity and control over their financial situation, enabling them to make informed decisions about their spending priorities and savings goals. A budget acts as a powerful tool for tracking income and expenses, allowing individuals to identify areas where they can cut costs, save more, and work towards their financial aspirations. Tracking expenses is a crucial component of budgeting, as it provides insight into where money is being spent and highlights opportunities for improvement. Whether through traditional methods like pen and paper or modern budgeting apps, monitoring expenses helps individuals stay accountable to their financial goals and adjust their spending habits as needed. Additionally, prioritizing spending involves distinguishing between essential and discretionary expenses, ensuring that resources are allocated towards the most important aspects of life while minimizing unnecessary expenditures. By mastering these budgeting basics, individuals can build a solid financial foundation and pave the way for long-term financial stability and success. Cutting down on unnecessary expenses is a fundamental step towards achieving financial stability and freedom. It's essential to identify common areas where people tend to overspend, such as dining out frequently, subscribing to services they rarely use, and impulse shopping. By recognizing these patterns, individuals can take proactive measures to rein in their spending and allocate their resources more wisely. One practical tip for reducing unnecessary expenses is to dine out less frequently and prioritize cooking meals at home. By planning and preparing meals in advance, individuals can not only save money, but also have greater control over the nutritional value of their food. Similarly, canceling unused subscriptions or memberships can free up valuable funds that can be redirected towards savings or debt repayment. Conducting a thorough review of recurring expenses and trimming down unnecessary subscriptions can yield significant savings over time. Additionally, shopping with a list and sticking to it can help curb impulse purchases and prevent overspending on items that aren't essential. By adopting these simple yet effective strategies, individuals can make meaningful strides towards financial health and security. If you've made it this far, consider taking a moment to subscribe to our channel. Subscribing is absolutely free, and you can always change your mind. We have a wealth of financial insights and exciting discussions lined up for you. Your support not only helps us reach a broader audience, but also motivates us to continue creating high-quality content that educates and empowers viewers like you. So, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, and join us on this journey towards financial empowerment. Thank you for being a part of our community. Meal planning and strategic grocery shopping are powerful tools in the pursuit of frugal living and financial success. Not only does meal planning offer numerous benefits for both your budget and your overall well-being, but it also helps streamline the grocery shopping process and minimize food waste. By taking the time to plan meals in advance, individuals can avoid the temptation of expensive convenience foods and make healthier, more budget-friendly choices. Additionally, meal planning allows for better utilization of ingredients, reducing the likelihood of unused food items languishing in the pantry or fridge. When it comes to saving money on groceries, there are several savvy strategies that can help stretch your dollars further. Buying in bulk is a tried-and-true method for reducing costs per unit and stocking up on staple items that you use regularly. Furthermore, utilizing coupons, whether digital or paper, can lead to significant savings at the checkout counter. Keeping an eye out for sales and discounts on items you need can also help maximize your grocery budget. Additionally, shopping for seasonal produce can yield fresher, more affordable options, as well as support local farmers and growers. By incorporating these strategies into your meal planning and grocery shopping routine, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals while staying within your budgetary constraints. Embracing do-it-yourself, DIY projects and homemade alternatives can be both empowering and economical. By encouraging viewers to explore their creativity and resourcefulness, we open up a world of possibilities for saving money and reducing reliance on store-bought products. DIY projects not only allow individuals to customize items to their preferences, but also provide an opportunity to repurpose existing materials and reduce waste. From household items to gifts and personal care products, the options for DIY creations are endless. For example, individuals can learn to make their own cleaning products using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils, reducing the need for expensive store-bought cleaners. Similarly, crafting homemade gifts adds a personal touch to special occasions while saving money on expensive store-bought items. Additionally, creating personal care products such as soap, shampoo, and lotion at home can not only save money, but also provide peace of mind knowing exactly what ingredients are being used. By sharing these ideas and encouraging viewers to explore their DIY potential, we empower them to take control of their spending and embrace a more sustainable lifestyle. Thrift shopping and buying secondhand items offer a multitude of advantages, both for the individual and the environment. Not only does thrift shopping provide an opportunity to score unique and affordable finds, but it also promotes sustainability by giving pre-loved items a second life. By choosing to thrift, individuals can reduce their environmental footprint by diverting items from landfills and supporting a circular economy. When it comes to finding quality items at thrift stores and online marketplaces, there are a few key tips to keep in mind. First and foremost, it's essential to have a clear idea of what you're looking for and to approach thrift shopping with an open mind. While you may not always find exactly what you're looking for, being flexible and adaptable can lead to unexpected treasures. Additionally, inspecting items carefully for any signs of wear or damage is crucial to ensuring their quality and longevity. It's also helpful to familiarize yourself with the pricing and sales schedules of local thrift stores, as well as to explore online marketplaces for a wider selection and potential bargains. By following these tips and embracing the thrill of the hunt, thrift shopping can become a rewarding and budget-friendly way to shop sustainably. Conserving energy and resources at home not only benefits the environment, but also contributes to significant savings on utility bills. Simple habits, such as turning off lights when leaving a room and unplugging electronic devices when not in use, can make a substantial difference in reducing energy consumption. Additionally, replacing traditional incandescent light bulbs with energy-efficient LEDs can lower electricity usage and decrease utility costs over time. Investing in energy-efficient appliances, such as refrigerators, washing machines, and dishwashers, can also lead to substantial energy savings in the long run. In addition to energy conservation, implementing strategies to conserve water and other resources can further reduce household expenses. Installing low-flow shower heads and faucets can significantly decrease water usage without sacrificing water pressure or comfort. Fixing leaks promptly and using water-saving techniques, such as collecting rainwater for outdoor use and watering plants during cooler times of the day, can also help conserve water and lower water bills. Furthermore, practicing mindful consumption habits, such as reducing waste and recycling materials whenever possible, can contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle while saving money on household expenses. By incorporating these energy and resource conservation practices into daily routines, individuals can not only reduce their environmental impact, but also enjoy cost savings on utility bills. Entertainment and leisure activities don't have to break the bank. There are plenty of affordable or even free options that provide enjoyment and relaxation without putting a strain on your budget. Visiting local parks and nature reserves offers an excellent opportunity to unwind and connect with the outdoors at no cost. Likewise, attending community events such as festivals, concerts, or farmers markets can provide entertainment without the hefty price tag often associated with commercial venues. Exploring hobbies that don't require expensive equipment, such as hiking, cycling, or gardening, allows individuals to pursue their passions without significant financial investment. For those looking for deals on entertainment, there are various strategies to stretch your entertainment budget further. Utilizing discount websites and apps can help secure discounted tickets to movies, shows, or attractions, allowing you to enjoy entertainment at a fraction of the regular cost. Additionally, taking advantage of loyalty programs offered by cinemas, restaurants, and other entertainment venues can lead to exclusive discounts, freebies, and special offers. By staying informed about promotions and deals, individuals can make the most of their entertainment budget and enjoy memorable experiences without overspending. Whether it's embracing free leisure activities or leveraging discounts and loyalty programs, there are plenty of ways to enjoy entertainment without breaking the bank. Effective debt management and savings practices are crucial for achieving financial stability and security. Prioritizing the repayment of debt is essential for minimizing interest payments and ultimately becoming debt-free. By allocating extra funds towards debt repayment, individuals can accelerate their progress and achieve financial freedom sooner. Additionally, building an emergency fund is vital for protecting against unexpected expenses or financial setbacks. Having a financial safety net in place can provide peace of mind and prevent individuals from going further into debt when faced with unforeseen circumstances. To pay down debt faster, individuals can employ various strategies, such as the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. The debt snowball method involves paying off debts from smallest to largest, gaining momentum as each debt is eliminated. On the other hand, the debt avalanche method prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates first, minimizing overall interest payments. Automating savings contributions is another effective way to build up savings consistently over time. By setting up automatic transfers from their paycheck or checking account to a savings or investment account, individuals can ensure that savings contributions are made regularly without requiring constant monitoring or effort. By implementing these strategies for debt management and savings, individuals can take control of their financial future and work towards their long-term goals with confidence. In conclusion, adopting frugal living practices can be a game changer for achieving financial success and stability. Throughout this video, we've discussed various strategies for living more frugally, from budgeting basics and cutting down on unnecessary expenses to embracing DIY projects and thrift shopping. By implementing these tips into your daily life, you can take control of your finances, reduce waste, and build a brighter financial future for yourself and your family. I encourage you to put these tips into action and share your own frugal living strategies in the comments below. Your insights and experiences can inspire others on their journey towards financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. Together, we can empower each other to make smarter financial decisions and live a more fulfilling life.